Hey guys, welcome in for your Drive of the Week, brought to you by Stokes Toyota Beaufort, and I am joined with the General Manager, Michael Lynn. Thanks for having us today.
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
So let's talk a little bit about your all's service department. I know from talking in the past, you guys highly train your mechanics, and it's not something that you have to buy a vehicle here. Like, you just guys have a fantastic top-of-the-line service department. So tell us a little bit about it.
Yes, so we're full spectrum, so we service all makes and models. Our techs are all trained to the highest of standards from Toyota or ASC, to be able to cover all those other makes and models. So we do offer a great service. It's a great group of guys, which I think and gals, that's really important. But we also offer some different things as far as prepaying for maintenance and service contracts to kind of take care of the future repairs that you might not want to have to budget for unnecessarily. So we do a wide range of services.
And what's the benefit of getting a maintenance program, or getting on the maintenance program?
Yeah, so that's the easiest money spent, because you're going to spend money maintaining your car anyways,
sure.
Right? So if you buy a prepaid maintenance, then you're forever locked into what you pay for it now. Versus those cost expenses going up, because we all know inflation's eating us alive right now. So.
And it's hitting us hard.
Yeah, it's an inflation-proof program for
That's
sure.
That's awesome. They have a top-of-the-line service department with a great buy-ahead maintenance program to keep you and your family safe on the road. This is your Drive of the Week, brought to you by Stokes Toyota of Beaufort.